Reimagining abandoned industrial pallets into versatile, modular indoor and outdoor furniture systems begins with a fundamental shift in perception, seeing beyond their rough, utilitarian appearance and recognizing them as a rich source of adaptable material shaped by global movement and hard use. Pallets, often dismissed as disposable shipping debris, carry within them a quiet strength, standardized proportions, and a resilience that makes them uniquely suited for transformation into furniture that responds to modern living. The process starts in the raw reality of weathered boards, exposed nails, uneven surfaces, and mixed with species, all bearing marks of logistics, storage, and time. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. Rather than fighting these qualities, the transformation embraces them, carefully dismantling pallets to preserve usable lengths and structural integrity while allowing the material's past life to inform its future role. Each board becomes a building block in a larger system, one designed not as a single static object, but as a modular language of furniture that can evolve with space, season, and lifestyle. This approach reflects how contemporary homes increasingly demand flexibility, where furniture must adapt to small apartments, open-plan interiors, patios, balconies, and gardens without losing coherence or visual harmony. As the pallet wood is cleaned, stabilized, and squared just enough to allow precision without erasing character, its imperfections become a design asset, grounding the final pieces in authenticity and tactile warmth. The true power of pallet transformation lies in modular thinking, where individual components are designed to function independently yet connect seamlessly with others. By reconfiguring pallet slats into repeatable units, panels, frames, and surfaces, the furniture system gains the ability to expand, contract, and shift purpose over time. A low-seating module can become an outdoor bench in summer, a coffee table in winter, or a base for vertical shelving when space demands change. This adaptability is especially valuable in modern homes where rooms are no longer defined by fixed roles, but evolve throughout the day, serving as workspaces, social zones, and places of rest. The joinery techniques used in this transformation balance strength with simplicity, favoring connections that are durable yet visually understated, allowing the wood itself to remain the focal point. Thoughtful alignment of grain, careful spacing between boards, and deliberate repetition create rhythm and order, elevating the humble pallet into furniture that feels intentional rather than improvised. As each joint is secured and each surface refined, the furniture begins to shed its industrial anonymity and take on a crafted identity, one that feels both contemporary and grounded. Equally important is the transition from indoor to outdoor use, a challenge that pallets are uniquely suited to meet when treated with care. Their original purpose as shipping platforms means they are already engineered to withstand pressure, movement, and varying conditions, making them an ideal foundation for furniture that crosses boundaries between interior comfort and exterior durability. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. Please consider subscribing and smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. Through careful sanding, sealing, and finishing, pallet wood can be protected against moisture, sunlight, and temperature changes without losing its natural texture. The result is furniture that feels at home on a living room floor or beneath open skies, blurring the line between indoor refinement and outdoor resilience. This duality speaks directly to contemporary lifestyles that value seamless transitions between inside and outside, especially in homes where outdoor spaces are seen as extensions of the interior rather than separate zones. The visual language of pallet furniture, with its layered planes and exposed structure, complements both modern minimalist interiors and more relaxed, organic environments, making it remarkably versatile across different design contexts. As the modular system takes shape, what emerges is not just a collection of objects, but a cohesive design philosophy rooted in sustainability and user empowerment. Each piece encourages interaction, reconfiguration, and personalization, inviting users to become co-creators in their living spaces. This sense of participation adds emotional value, transforming furniture from a passive backdrop into an active part of daily life. The knowledge that these pieces originated from discarded shipping materials deepens their meaning, turning what was once waste into a visible statement of conscious living. In a market increasingly driven by environmental awareness and a desire for authenticity, such furniture resonates strongly, offering not only functional solutions, but also a narrative that aligns with modern values. The transformation of pallets into modular furniture demonstrates that sustainable design does not require compromise. Instead, it reveals how constraints can inspire innovation, leading to pieces that are both practical and expressive. From a broader perspective, this approach challenges conventional ideas of furniture production and consumption by prioritizing adaptability over permanence and system thinking over isolated products. Rather than designing furniture that becomes obsolete when a space changes, modular pallet systems evolve alongside their users, reducing waste and extending their lifespan. This longevity enhances both environmental and economic value, as each piece continues to serve multiple purposes over time. The raw honesty of pallet wood, paired with thoughtful craftsmanship, creates furniture that feels approachable yet refined, capable of fitting into diverse homes without losing its identity. In this way, the reimagining of abandoned industrial pallets becomes more than a creative exercise. It becomes a model for how everyday materials can be transformed into meaningful, flexible design solutions that reflect the realities of modern living. Ultimately, transforming industrial pallets into versatile, modular indoor and outdoor furniture systems is an act of design optimism, proving that elegance can emerge from the overlooked and that sustainability can coexist with style and comfort. It shows how careful deconstruction, intelligent reconfiguration, and mindful finishing can elevate discarded materials into furniture that adapts, endures, and connects with people on a deeper level. Each finished piece carries the memory of movement and labor while offering a new role as a place to sit, gather, work, or rest, embodying a cycle of reuse that feels both responsible and inspiring. In embracing pallets as a foundation for modular furniture, we not only reduce waste, but also redefine value, demonstrating that true design innovation often begins with what the world has already cast aside. Thank you for spending your time with Decor Ideas and being part of our creative woodworking and decor journey. We hope this video inspired you to see new possibilities in craftsmanship and home decor. Your thoughts truly matter to us, so feel free to share your ideas, suggestions, or feedback in the comments, and let us know which designs or techniques you'd love to see next. If you enjoyed this creation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family who love crafting and decor inspiration. Stay connected with Decor Ideas for more creative woodworking projects and inspiring decor transformations. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.